My name is Ernesto. I'm 54. I used to work as a carpenter. Life was hard, but I didn't mind. I had a wife and a son, and I lived for them. They were my whole world. I gave everything to my son. Skipped meals, worked overtime, just so he could finish college. When he graduated, I cried. I thought it was the start of our new life. But things changed. My wife grew distant. My son got busy. They stopped calling. One day, they both left. No goodbye. I waited. Days turned to years. No one came back. I lost the house. I lost my purpose. I slept on streets. Forgotten. People looked away. But deep inside, I held on to one thing. My voice and the hope they'd hear it. Now I'm here on this stage. Not to win. Not for fame. Just to sing one song. For them. Maybe they'll hear me. Maybe they'll remember. I never stopped loving them. So this is my song for them.
I built our home with bleeding hands, laid each brick with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I fixed your tie, watched you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stayed behind, but now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even pain begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I remember who you are. But wishes don't go that far. So I sing here on this stage, old and tired, full of ache. Not for gold, not for fame.